If the siding on your home is crumbling and falling apart, you may ask yourself, is it better to repair or replace siding? The siding on your home serves as one of the main protectors for keeping animals, debris, and the outside elements out, and it also serves as the main point of curb appeal. Having good-looking siding that will hold the test of time against storms, rain, and other elements is critical to preserving your home's value. In this video, we will dive into whether or not you should repair or replace your home's siding. Firstly, you must understand the extent of the siding damage on your home. Siding damage on your home isn't always immediately apparent, but its consequences can be far-reaching. Identifying the signs of siding damage is the first step in determining whether repair or replacement is necessary. Common indicators of siding damage include cracks, warping, rot, and mold growth. Cracks may start small but can widen over time, allowing moisture to penetrate and compromise the structural integrity of the siding and the underlying structure of the home. Rot is a serious concern, particularly for wood siding, as it signifies decay and can spread quickly if left unchecked. Mold growth, typically found in damp or poorly ventilated areas, not only detracts from the aesthetics of the siding but can also pose serious health risks. What causes this type of siding damage? Age is a primary factor, as siding materials such as cedar can deteriorate over time due to exposure to sunlight, temperature fluctuations, and environmental pollutants. Additionally, extreme weather events such as storms, hail, or high winds can cause physical damage to siding, accelerating deterioration. Another major cause of siding damage is poor siding installation practices. This is another reason to hire a professional siding contractor to install your siding to ensure a correct installation that will last for many years to come. When it comes to siding, repairs is often more budget-friendly than a complete replacement. By focusing on specific areas of concern, you can minimize expenses while still addressing critical issues. However, it largely depends on the condition of your siding. While repairing siding can offer cost-effective solutions for minor damage, there are situations where replacement becomes necessary to maintain the structural integrity of your home. Extensive damage, such as large areas of rot, widespread warping, or significant cracks, may compromise the structural stability of all the siding boards and home. In such a case, patchwork repairs are not going to address these underlying issues. As siding ages, especially wood siding, which tends to rot, it becomes more susceptible to deterioration from environmental factors, wear and tear, and exposure to the elements. With James Hardie siding becoming more popular in new home builds due to its long-term durability and aesthetic appeal, a full siding replacement could vastly increase the value of your home if you intend on selling it in the near future. By carefully weighing these factors and consulting with experienced siding professionals such as Mr. Happy House, you as a homeowner can make a better decision that will ensure longevity, aesthetics, and structural integrity of your home's exterior. While repairing siding may offer short-term cost savings, replacement provides an opportunity to address underlying issues, upgrade to modern materials, and enhance the overall appearance and performance of your home's exterior. Keep your home in its best shape with Mr. Happy House, a local and professional GAF-certified roofer and James Hardie siding installer with over 32 years in business.